I have never tried this. Stir-fry corn kernel with fried diced salted black beans. It's incredible delicious. I share delicious recipe every day. There are 1,000 of recipes in my channel waiting for you. If you like cooking, follow me now so you can check them out for inspiration for your next cooking. Remove fried dates from can scramble it and set aside. Stir-fry fried dates and salted black beans until fragrant. Add corn kernels and stir-fry. Optional to season with salt and sugar to taste. Fried dates and black beans have enough saltiness, hence salt can be omitted. Delicious stir-fry corn kernels with fried diced salted black beans is ready to eat. It's delicious. Hope you like this recipe. Give it a try. I share delicious recipe every day. Don't forget to follow me now so you can check them out anytime you want for your cooking inspiration. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye all.